Alfonso just loves to take walks around the building, and he does that as a way to just kind of be able to kind of calm down and get his wiggles out and everything. It's kind of become this scavenger hunt where we go on walks and we go try to find him.
Hi, the green ladder.
Yes, a green ladder. How you doing, buddy? You doing great?
He gets really excited, and Mr. Delgado has just, you know, it kind of started as like, hey buddy, you know, but now they've really kind of formed this little friendship, and after he gets to see Mr. Delgado, he comes back into the classroom and he's able to get to work and kind of calm down and just do everything that he needs to do.
We're really happy that Uxmal has taken the time to share his time with the student, and I think it goes a long ways for the district.
He just came around and started looking at the ladder. I let him touch it, and then after that, it was just green ladder, green ladder. Every time he sees me,
Green ladder.
he notices it from far away. And once he gets closer, he knows who I am, Mr. Delgado, right away. It makes my day seeing him walking and you know, laughing and playing around. That's what I really liked about him.
The most important thing that I've learned, you know, just being their teacher, is that everybody communicates differently. And if going on a walk or something is what he needs to meet his needs and get him to be most successful, then that's what he needs. But all of our students are so different. We all communicate in different ways. And I think just figuring out what helps them be successful and help them communicate their best is just really important for us to know.